When working in Blender, it's super important to know how to hide an object, how to unhide an object, and also how to isolate an object. So I'm going to show you the 3 ways to do these things and how to undo them too, just in case. So if you want to hide an object, say I don't want to see her jumper, I want to see everything else, I'm going to select the jumper, and it'll be highlighted in yellow when you select it, and click H on my keyboard. That makes it go away and you can work on whatever's underneath, and you'll notice it's hidden in the outliner. The eye will be shut, meaning it is not visible. And if you want to unhide it, you can either click on that little eye, or you can click Alt-H on your keyboard and that will bring it back. If you want to hide everything, you can Shift-H and then everything's gone, and then Alt-H to bring it all back. But what I like the most is to isolate or solo an object. So when I'm working, I select whatever object I want to solo, and you select the / button on your keyboard. That will allow you to see only the object or objects that you have selected. And when you want everything back again, you select that / one more time. And this works for multiple objects. So if I want to see a few objects, I can just hold down Shift and select whatever I want to isolate together, and then /. And now I can work on this until I'm done, and then / again to bring everything back. And that is it. I hope that this helped you guys. If you like this video, please check out my playlist in Blender, and I will see you soon.